Unbelievably, it is now snowing even harder. And we got to get to work on the back deck because there's just tons of weight. Complete insanity. Oh, there's the truck. So here we are. There's my truck. That's what's left of Mike's car. He's got a little hatchback. It looks we finally got a plow coming through because the road is like 3.5 feet deep. As you can see, I'm up to my thighs here. So we're gonna watch this guy do his work. He's struggling now. Look at that. Oh, he's going past. Look at that. And there's what's left. There's the truck. Mike's car. 4 feet of snow. So he's come through and it's already covering up.